Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience with the service. MyGenome.org, it's a website, and perhaps more importantly, a service offered by the University of Washington Center for Mendelian Genomics. This center focuses on identifying the genetic basis of Mendelian disorders, which are conditions caused by mutations in a single gene. These disorders, although individually rare, collectively affect a significant number of people. MyGenome.org plays a crucial role in facilitating this research by connecting individuals and families affected by these conditions with researchers studying them. The website provides a wealth of information regarding their research, including details about specific projects and publications. For individuals and families dealing with undiagnosed genetic conditions, MyGenome.org offers the possibility of participating in their research studies. This participation can involve genetic sequencing and analysis, potentially leading to a diagnosis and a better understanding of the condition. It's important to understand that MyGenome.org isn't a direct-to-consumer genetic testing service like 23andMe or Ancestry DNA. Their primary focus is research, and participation in their studies is a contribution to that research. This distinction means that while participants may receive information about their genetic makeup, the main purpose isn't to provide ancestry information or general health risks. The goal is to advance scientific knowledge about Mendelian disorders and ultimately improve the lives of those affected. The site itself is clearly designed with accessibility in mind. It provides detailed explanations of complex genetic concepts in a way that is understandable for a lay audience. There are also numerous resources and frequently asked questions that address common concerns and provide support for those navigating the often confusing world of genetic research. If you or someone you know is struggling with an undiagnosed genetic condition, exploring MyGenome.org may be a valuable step. It offers not just the potential for a diagnosis, but also the opportunity to contribute to crucial scientific research that could help countless others. They offer a crucial bridge between individuals facing genetic challenges and the cutting-edge research seeking answers.